Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is JJ Sandy from Julita Digital Empire. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to make your first 1000 Naira online from a particular website. Alright, this website has been into existence for a quite long time. Um, it has made it has made people a lot of people make money daily from this website, and by doing simple tasks, all right, simple menial jobs, by liking people's YouTube channel, subscribing to people's channel, following people's on Instagram. Those simple tasks, things that you do for free on a daily basis. On this website, when you do them, you get paid for doing them. All right. So without further ado, let's jump into this website. All right. All right. So the name of this website is called Owodaily. All right. It's called Owodaily. All right. So I will be taking you from the step by step on how to get registered on this channel, on this website, and also how to start making money by performing simple social media tasks. So you click on the register button. All right. So this is how the dashboard looks like. This is how the home page, all right, the homepage of the website look like. All right, so you can see one membership, unlimited possibilities. Our premium membership offers membership access to find micro jobs, hire micro influencers, promote product and service. We aim to support the growth of digital entrepreneurs throughout Africa. All right, so this particular website, you can also post jobs. All right, so if you want maybe people to follow you on your Instagram page, following you on your TikTok page, maybe you want people to like your videos on YouTube, you can come here. You can create you can also post jobs. All right, you fund money, and then people will go and like your video or watch your video, and then they get paid for it. All right, so it's more of like a freelancing website. All right, a micro freelancing website. So let's go through with the website. This is the home page. You see why members love Owodaily. Now you can see members rating: complete micro jobs 97, hire micro influencers, promoting affiliate offers. So you can also promote. They also have digital products that you can promote, and then you get commission for selling them. We offer the best offers, tools, and support. Our daily helps members earn weekly income through performing marketing. All right, so you can make money by affiliating their programs. All right, so down here, this is the packages. You can choose any membership plan you want. All right, if you want to become a member, so you can see free account. You can sign up for a free account, new deal update, community access, and weekly newsletter. That's if you sign up as free. You don't have access to do perform taxes, or you don't have access to other stuffs. All right, so then here you can see this is the annual package for members. All right, it's 5,000 naira. This is the package I registered on. Yeah, so here you have access to affiliate offers like digital products you can promote. You also have membership support, their academic access, cashback on deals, micro job access. This is what I've been talking about. And you can also hire micro influencers, people with high followership or community, to help you promote certain products. 50% membership invite bonus. So also if you be referring somebody on this platform to sign up, you also have 50% invite bonus. That's like their referral program. All right, and then their payout, all right, is weekly, like net. That's like 7 days, seven. That's like seven payment weekly, all right, and it's 3% fee. So that's it. And we also have the what is it called, the premium. That's the annual also. But this one is the Owodaily Plus, which is 15,000 naira annually. The membership plus, the master class invite, all right, priority email support, personal account management, instant job notification. So if there's a new job, these are the first people that have to see, people of this class. private, community, access, village, and then also their withdrawal. All right, so that is this. So if you want to sign up, you can, I'll advise you to go for the membership. That's where you have you start from. This one you also only have access to their weekly newsletters, access to their community, and then you don't have access to do the micro jobs I am talking about. All right, so you can see micro jobs here. You get access to all micro jobs listed on the marketplace where you can earn money. You can see by promoting marketing campaigns, brand, when completing simple tasks in your free time. All right, you can also hire targeted micro influencers to help you with your marketing campaigns by posting job. All right, so this is where you sign up for the website on Owodaily. You come here, you put in your full name. All right, I'll make sure I drop the link to this website on the description of this video. All right, please make sure you use the link to sign up so that when signing up I'll get a little commission from it. So you can see this is where you put in your full name. Let's say you put in your full name like Jeremiah James and something like that. I already have an account, so I will not be wasting time to create another account. Alright, so you can use your username, maybe Sandy 2023, something like that. Um, so you can see this it's available. You can see username is available. That means nobody have used it before. You can use your email. All right, you put your password, any password you know is fit. But these are the criteria for the password. All right, a minimum of 8 characters, a lowercase letter, a capital uppercase letter, and a number. So it must contain all these criteria for the password to be stable. All right. Here you put in your phone number. Yeah, you put in your phone number. Let's say anything. Yeah, maybe 080. You can just 445683 or so. All right, you just put it there. You select your gender, whether sex, which is male. Choose your state. Let's say I'm from Gombe State, for instance. All right, so you put in your date of birth. Anything. Let's say you just choose. Um, okay, you can just choose February. This one I don't know. Okay. Ah, oh wow. Okay. So when you choose the day, let me see. You choose the day, the date. Sorry, you choose your year. Let's say 2001. Yeah, let's say 18th or something like that. So you can see the date is there. You see, you choose your bank, all right, where you'll be receiving your payment, all right. You input your account number or something like that. I don't know. And you can I just put in your account number, all right. And then your secret question, the question that you know you answer. What is the name of your best friend? What is the name of the primary school you attend? You put the answer here. And you can just put the answer here. Anything that you know is the correct that you know I'm not going to forget, because sometimes when you forget password they may require of this question. All right. Click on the accept, I agree to the terms and condition here, and then I think, sorry, this. All right, so when you log into the website, this is how the dashboard of Owodaily will look like as the member. So you sign up, you just come over here, you see available jobs, you click on available jobs. All right, so these are the available jobs. It's already loaded. All right, so you can see if you finish a job, you can see my posted job, resubmission request, resubmission pending. So these are available jobs. These are micro jobs you can do. All right, so you can see here, follow my TikTok account for you get 15 naira when you follow my page, you get 15 naira as well. Follow my TikTok page, you can see Instagram page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can see. YouTube job, you can see. Let's scroll. What is it called? You can see Facebook page. Follow my Facebook page. You can see YouTube page. All right. So I have done some tasks. I've done some tasks. That's why you see these are the ones I have to do for today again. All right. So, but anytime you come over here, you refresh, and there are new ones. And whenever there are new ones, they will be available here. So there's always enough jobs for you to do. Just come here, you refresh, and then you get them done. All right. You just get them done. All right. These are because I've already done some of them. So let's say, for instance, you want to do this job. For instance, this YouTube job. You click on it. You just go to apply. All right. So you follow the instruction. Read the job instruction carefully. Only submit proof after completion. Now you can see this man, workers needed. You need 2,000 people, and then he have gotten 1,887. All right. So it's 15 naira for the job. You can see now. Please guys, follow this instruction. Subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And the second instruction is turn on the bell notification icon. And then the third instruction is comment on the recent post. So the recent video you see there, you comment on it. Sorry. So that is it. Don't subscribe to later unsubscribe. If you do that, I will blacklist you and report you to Owodaily admin. So this is it. So when you subscribe, don't unsubscribe. All right. So that is that. Most of the times when you want to do this kind of job on this kind of website, you should have at least a spare email. All right, an email you can use to do it. So you can start the job. All right. So you can see it now. This is it. Here is the website, so that you can just so that you won't just make mistakes. So you can come here, you can see the website. The name of the website is Julie Hop Trendy. Now this is the website. Now when you go on YouTube, you search for this website, and then you subscribe, and then let's try it and see. Now you can see it's loading. So you can see this is the website. You click over here. Yeah. Now this is our website. This is the website already. All right, so you click on the subscribe button, and then you hit the bell notification icon, put it on all, and then probably you come over here to these are shorts. You come over here to her. You see, one day ago, this film, this what's it called? This video was one day ago. You can just come over here, and then you open the video. All right, so what's it called? You come on. Actually, this is best done with phone. All right. It's best done with phone. And then you comment. All right, you comment. Let's say you comment uh, anything you want to comment. Wow, very nice. Anything, something like that. I won't waste my time watching the video. So when you comment on the video, um, um, sorry, let me comment. All right. So when you comment on the video, as you can see here, automatically what you're supposed to do next is take a screenshot. So I'm using my laptop. I wouldn't want to waste my time trying to screenshot everything. So just if you are using your phone, you screenshot this particular video indicating you have subscribed, turn up the notification bell icon, and you have commented. So it should be something like you have this particular place. And then you come back to Owodaily here. You come back here. You come back here. You can see proof needed by employer. You put your the username and the screenshot. So you come over here, you say submit correctly your proof below. After submission, your job completion, attach the screenshot. So you can come over here. If you are using your phone, just put in your username. Let's say you can see my own. This is my own. This is Julie Digital Empire. So you can come over here, and then you put it. Let's see, Julie Digital something like that, as you can see. And then you come over here, and then by that time you have already done your screenshot. So you upload your screenshot. You understand? you upload your screenshot here, and then after you're done uploading your screenshot here, you click on submit proof. Sorry, you tick here, and then you click on submit proof. The reason you're ticking here is in accordance to your terms and conditions. You can see ticking the checkbox means you have correctly submitted the job following the instruction posted, and make sure the submission is done correctly. All right, so you are already done with one of the jobs. So that's how simple it is to do jobs over here on Owodaily, and you make your 15 naira simple. So you can see I've made over that 300 naira by just trying. It was just a day. I just sat down to just try it. Okay, so you can see. All right, so you can see if you want to sign up, please I'll drop the link of the of of the website on this video description, and then you sign up. All right, so about the withdrawal, you come here to your wallet, and then you click on withdraw. Click on withdraw. You come over here, you can see my wallet balance is just 306. So minimum withdrawal should be 5,000. You can see it's 5,000. So it's something that it has to reach 5,000 before you withdraw. So as I told you, you can also when the moment it's here, you can just click on withdraw. You can see withdrawal are set on 7 net 7. That's, I think, on that's 7 days like that in the week. All right, so you only do it 7 times in the week, I think so, something like that. But let me just click on the read more button, because this net is not that very clear. Okay, so withdrawal process. What is net 7? Net 7 is an accounting term that describes when your withdrawal request will be processed. The withdrawal request will be paid. Okay, it will be paid 7 days after the last business day of the week, which is Friday. All right, so you pay 7 days. The 7 day in the net 7 payment term include weekends and holidays. All right, so when you click on withdraw, it will take at least 7 days, 7 working days, with the including weekends and holidays, for it to drop. All right, so to put things in perspective, consider a withdrawal request during the month of September. If payment request was sent in the September 2nd to 9th, payment will not be processed by September 16th.